I'll show you how to cancel an order on Fanatics. First, go to fanatics.com and make sure you are signed into your account. Click on the My Account option and log in using your credentials or through Google. Once logged in, navigate to My Orders. Since I don't have an order to demonstrate, follow these steps. Locate and select the order you want to cancel. This will take you to the Order Details page. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you will see Need to Modify Order. Click on this option, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you will find the Cancel Order button. Click on it, select a reason for cancellation, and then confirm by tapping the red Cancel Order icon. Remember, it may take up to 2 to 7 business days for the refund to be reflected in your account. Note that customized, personalized, or manufacturer direct items cannot be canceled. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.